crafty friends. It's Courtney Brickner, the CB behind the crafty brick. We have arrived at day 24 of our art advent calendar series. I can't believe I've been on here with a recorded video every single day for 24 days. I haven't ever done that. This was a first. We have been unboxing this box. Maybe you've been here with me the whole time. If not, if you're just tuning in, you need to go back and watch the other ones because it's been very interesting. We got this calendar. Well, I got this calendar. I bought it on Amazon. The Arteza calendar, fine art advent calendar. They partnered with Tiffany Anna. If you want more information on the calendar, check the link down below in the description and you can see it there. It's actually on sale. It's cheaper than when I got it, so you should get it if you're thinking about doing it. I've really enjoyed it. So we've unboxed every single one of these on the top layer, and all of them except day 24 on the bottom layer. So that is what we're doing today. Oh my gosh, I can't believe our time is coming to an end. Yesterday, I did this. It's a little suspect. I was going for a stocking. You know the part that I do like? I do like the green and the red on the outside, the blending of that. And I do like the paint splatter. I'm kind of digging that paint splatter. Tiffany Anna does that in a lot of her art pieces. So I kind of added that little bit of flair to mine. I like it. Don't so much like my stocking, but I don't know. Maybe we can fix it today. I've been able to fix some other ones that were a little suspect to start, and they looked a lot better. So we're gonna open day 24, see what it is, and then I'm gonna recap and show you all of the things that I have made on this art journey. Because like I said at the very beginning, I'm not an artist. I feel like I wish I was an artist. Some of these projects made me feel like I might be an artist now. I'm just saying. Some of them not so much, but it is, it is what it is. 24, the last day. Thank you for being here with me all of this time. Let's see what's in this box. Wow, it's day 24. I'm happy that this is the first time that this has happened, but I just unboxed it, did a little project, and realized that I didn't even press record. So let's do it over again. So it is open a little bit, but I'm gonna show you what's inside just like it's the first time. Sorry. I'm a hot mess through and through. I try to not be, but it just doesn't leave me. So round 2 for unboxing day 24. Okay, day 24 is here. We've been waiting all month for this. I think it needs a drum roll. Day 24, let's see what's inside. Very strange. It's actually another project. And it's opened because I just opened it. It's clay, it's molding clay. I just thought it was interesting because I thought this was our 5th project. So we actually have 6 projects here instead of 5 because this is our 6th one. So very interesting. It says day 24 is clay tags. So time to get gifting. Use this clay set to create personalized gift tags. Knead the air dry stone clay to your desired shape. Use the clay tool here to engrave names and poke a hole to allow the twine here to be placed through the hole once dry. Place these on your favorite person's presents and watch them enjoy. Happy holidays from Arteza. All right, so the project that I made, I just balled it back up. So here's the clay. Let's try this project again. I can't believe that I didn't press record. I'd done the whole thing. Oh well, that's how life goes sometimes. I can't believe it's the first time that it's happened. So I'm just gonna knead it. I certainly don't use clay on a regular basis. I haven't used clay probably since I was a child. It's been a very long time. But I don't have the rolling pin, so I'm just going to use this glass jar. I'm just going to improvise. Which is okay. You can use what you have. So basically what I was doing, I just kneaded it, rolled it out, used the tool that it came with to kind of cut it into the shape I wanted and press the hole into it where the string will go. And I started to write the names, but I really didn't like the way that was working out. So then I just kind of started to use the tip of the tool to do like a stipple effect. So just little dots, and I liked the way that looked a lot better. But for this last one, my middle son created a symbol for his name when he was younger, and he used to have t-shirts and things with his symbol on it, a little circle with an M in the middle. So I made an ornament with that. All right, I am so happy that round 2, I remembered to press record. So I just did one for Isaiah. I started out just kind of scraping it in, but I felt like I really liked that speckled approach a little bit better. I like the way you could see them a little bit better. So here's Kaya. And this is Micah's symbol, the M. So that is the end of our 4th project. Now I just need to wait for those to dry, and then I'll be able to use those for Christmas, which will be cute to have custom made gift tags on the gifts. Shall we recap all of the things that we did this month? Let's start out with our very first project. These are our bees. Very, very interesting bees. I enjoyed the process though with those. So that's project 1. Oh, I don't have my second project here. This is our second project. We did an ornament. We actually did 2 ornaments. So those were both in here. Then we moved on to project number 3, which were watercolors. So I did lots of different kinds of watercolors. We got special markers and metallic markers, marker pens. We got a lot of different things to embellish these watercolor pictures. So that was an interesting project as well. And then we went on to project 4, these cherries, which I think are my favorite of all of them. Project number 5, our Christmas tree with our textured snow and glitter. And we got some blue and purple, which was nice. And then this wasn't even the project. It was just using the supplies that we had gotten so far with the kit. And we got a black canvas. So I did a stocking. And then today we had the clay gift tags. You guys, I think that is a very fun month of art activities. I wanted to try something new. I think there were a lot of new things in this kit that I had never tried. One of my favorite things was that foil with the adhesive that you apply the foil with. I think that is really cool. I liked the sparkle paint that seemed more like a gel to me. There was a pen that was really cool. It had like a brush tip. Some very interesting things. So I think it was well worth my money that I spent to get this, try something new, step out of my comfort zone, and do things that I might not have done otherwise. So it definitely opened some artistic doors for me. I want to be an artist, so I think this was a good beginning. I really, really, really appreciate you hanging out with me this month and trying out all these projects and my successes, my fails, although I don't think any of them were fails. I mean, you can't really fail in art. So there's only happy accidents, right? Or happy mistakes. I don't even know. What did Bob say? I just think that it was just a nice process and learning experience. So I'm happy that you were here with me for that. If you enjoyed this series, please don't forget to like it, share it, subscribe to my channel, and show other people about it. I'd love some more people to tune in and check out this art series because I think it was really fun. I still post many other things, not just this art series. This was just something fun for this month. But I got lots of crafty stuff going, so make sure that you are subscribed so you don't miss any of it. I will be back, and until then, stay crafty, my friends. Bye.